Hello there! In this video, we'll be going over how to create a smart folder in Dynadot. Smart folders can help you organize your domains and easily change whose records, name server settings, renew options, and transfer locks for multiple domains at once. To create a smart folder, sign into your account. Click on My Domains, and then click on Folders in the drop-down menu. Click on the New Folder button. Add your desired folder name in the text box and click Save Folder. To move your domains to a smart folder, navigate to the My Domains drop-down and select Manage Domains. Select your desired domains using the checkbox. Then click on the Folder drop-down. Select the desired folder you'd like to move the domain to and select Move. And that's it. That is how you create a smart folder using Dynadot.